Alright, so today is the big dig out, and everybody's outside starting to dig out. Steph and I's work has been canceled today. It's February the 11th, the day after the blizzard came through. So I'm actually going to take you outside today. Hopefully I don't fall like I did last night on the pavement. And I'm just going to show you all the craziness of the snow. So here we go. Alright, so we're stepping out now. Actually, everything's melting pretty quick, which is a surprise. But here we are. See if I can get some good perspectives of everything. This is our snow wall. There's some lawn chairs there. Probably, I don't know, those are probably 3 foot tall. And the snow's stacked right there up to 3 feet. If you back off of this here, I've already got all the cars dug out this morning, so I'm on top of that, but I guess if you get about even with the car, some of the snow is stacked up to about the car there. And this is the neighborhood. Giant piles of snow down here, taller than the cars, or right at the level of the cars. I'm going to take you over here to where they're stacking all the snow in the neighborhood and show you that monster pile. Is it even in there? Yeah. This is how tall it is. It's probably 15 feet tall, 10 feet tall. Taking a little video for the family in Indiana. No, I think they got like 10 inches or so, which wasn't bad, but not like here. So here's all the snow stacked up all the way down the road here. And all the way back this way. Got big bobcats back here to clean everything up. So it's pretty crazy. This is our neighbor's house over here. Nobody lives there, so it's not been touched. I'll go get a good view of that. Yeah, it's pretty crazy here. Pretty crazy. Alright, so over here, hopefully I don't fall here, it's icy. Over here is the neighbor's house that's not been touched at all during either storm. So you can see the snow is just stacked up everywhere. Here's the sidewalks. So it's just crazy here. They're calling it the storm of the century. Yesterday's was storm of the century, I guess. So it's truly history in the making. We broke our record for most snowfall in the winter by at least 10 inches. I think the old record was 65. The new record is now like 75 or something. So it's pretty crazy out here. There's our bushes in the front. Can't even see them anymore. That's just natural drifting right there. This bush I covered in snow. We're gonna yank them out anyways, so we don't care this spring. Our rose bush is over here looking pretty shabby. So that's the front of the house. See if I can get you a picture of the road behind our house. Our neighborhood roads actually look better than one of the normal everyday roads. Hi, Sadie. Sadie. Hi. How are you, Carol? Sadie's pretty miserable. She's just sick of being in the house, I think. So this is our deck here. There's the table all covered in snow again. I just dug that thing out the other day. And it's hard to see from here. But we'll go upstairs and look. This is a 4.5 minute video, so hopefully you don't get bored. But we'll go upstairs and look real fast. Out that back window so I can show you the road conditions. Yeah, you can actually see it from here. This is a... Come on. Change. There we go. This is the road behind our house. I mean, you can just barely see it. There's the big piles of snow there. The road's right in front of it. So it's pretty crazy out here. Not too many people out. Alright, see you later.